Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Notorious Squirrel, the packet squirrel himself, and in this video I'm going to deep dive into what I've learned so far in the first stage of the RubberDucky Script course supplied by Hack5, delivered by Hack5 Darren himself, who is an absolutely awesome tutor. So just as a recap from one of the first videos I did, if you've not seen that, obviously this is the Rubber Ducky itself. This is supplied with a USB A and USB C right under that cover. In the first video I showed a quick setup guide of it. In the packet here that you get when you buy the device, you get this sticker pack. Be sure not to forget these teardrop shaped stickers. If you go and check out that video I've done on that, shows you how to sort of open this case and where to put those stickers as well, so that's really important. And